Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Uphold and going straight to Settings, Security. You need verification complete because Uphold locks 2 FA changes for unverified accounts, so do that first. Once you are signed in, install an Authenticator app on your phone and have it open. Make sure you have a secure place to store backup codes, write them down or save them in a password manager. These steps prevent lockouts and make the next actions fast and reliable. Now, tap two-factor authentication under Security and choose Authenticator app. You will see a QR code and a manual key. Scan the QR code with your app or type the key exactly if scanning fails. Once the account appears in the app, it will generate a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Enter one of those codes into Uphold to prove ownership. This links the device to your account, so make sure the time on your phone is correct, because time skew will break codes. Finish by saving the backup codes Uphold provides. Treat them like keys. Store offline in a password manager or printed safe. If your Authenticator app supports multi-device syncing, enable it now so you can recover access if your phone is lost. Once done, test signing out and back in to confirm 2 FA prompts and code acceptance. If you encounter failures, first check your phone clock and time zone, then try a backup code. Contacting Uphold support is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.